find the coordinate pixels of the curve using the control points of 4, 2, 8, 8 and 16, 4. This is one example. And another one, find the control point coordinate pixels of the curve using following 4 control points relative to a curve of P1 2, 2, 0 and P2 2, 3, 0 and P3 3, 3, 0 and P4 3, 2, 0. Okay, where first you have to write the Bezier curve equations, where the summation of P of u of all control points, which says about along with each control point, then Bezier curve function, where here the u value is set between 0 to 1. Okay, first write the given control points. Okay, the given control points are 4, 2, 8, 8 and 16, 4. Now you have to write which degree of polynomial you are going to use. As we have here 3 control points, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So here you are going to use the equation quadratic. Okay, so the polynomial equation you are going to use here quadratic. So when it has 3 control points, then your u intervals u equal to 0 and the middle point u is equal to 0.5, then u equal to 1. As I said, the u which will travel from 0 to the end point 1. So u value is designated between 0 to 1. As here we have 3 control points, so you choose u equal to 0 at initial position, u equal to 0.5 at mid position, u equal to 1 at terminating position, right? And here write your Bezier curve, where here your k value and n value. As I said here, your number of control points is going to be 2, then it is going to be starting from the value k is equal to 0 to the n value n is equal to 2. So k equal to 0 to 2, right? When you are going to apply in Bezier curve, where you can write 0, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2, where k equal to 0 to 2. So here the Bezier curve k equal to 0, n equal to 2 of u is equal to, where it is n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial. Okay, so here u power k is equal to 0, then 1 minus u power n minus k. Here the value is n equal to 2 and k equal to 0, so 2 minus 0. When you derive this equation, you will get the final answer 1 minus u power 2, 1 minus u whole square, right? So here you are going to get 1 and here you are going to get 1 and remaining is 1 minus u power whole square, right? Then when you do for next Bezier curve equation 1, 2, k equal to 1 and n equal to 2, so n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k into factorial, u power k multiply with 1 minus u power n minus k. So when you substitute this k as 1, n as 2, you will get the final equation as 2u into 1 minus u, right? Then when you move with the final Bezier function n k equal to 2, n equal to 2, 2, 2, then when you apply, you will get u power 2, u square, right? So at 0, 2 position, you got this value. At 1, 2 position of control point, you got this value, and 2, 2 position, you got this value. So what you have to do, you have to apply to find out your control point traveling from initial position to end position. So here the control points, what is the x value and y value at initial position, and next up to the terminating point. Okay, so write into your x of u, what it says? It says about xk into Bezier function of the particular point. Okay, so when you apply here, how many control points you have with respect to x? x0, x1 and x2. Similarly with respect to y, y0, y1 and y2. So you have to write the summation of, okay, x of u as well as y of u, where you can see here x of u is, x of u says about x, that particular control point position value multiply with the Bezier curve. Okay, so here when you are going to write summation of x of u, which will start from the initial to end point. Okay, so apply in your this x of u, where x0 into 1 minus u whole square plus x1 into 2u into 1 minus u and x2 into u square. Okay, similarly for y, now you have to write the value u is between 0 to 1. So when you are going to write u equal to 0, so x of u is equal to x 0 into 1 minus u whole square. In this case, you can apply the u value as 0. So 4 into 1 minus u 0 whole square, you will get 4 here, and here 1 minus 0, and into 0, here the value is going to be 0, and here u value is 0, so here also it is going to be 0. So 4 plus 0 plus 0, you will get 4 as x of 0 value at the initial position control point u equal to 0. Similarly for y, when you apply the value, you get 2. So the x value at initial position u equal to 0 is 4 and y value is equal to 2. So initial position is 4 comma 2. Then it travels to the next control point u equal to 0.5. Okay, when it travels to u equal to 0.5, so apply in your x of u the equations. So x of u 0.5, where 1 minus u 0.5, and when you solve this, you will get the value for x equal to 9 and y equal to 5.5. Similarly, u equal to 1, the value is 16 comma 4. Okay, so here what is the control points values here? They gave 4 comma 2 and 8 comma 8 and 16 comma 4. These are the control points given. Okay, using these control points, these control points may not be exactly splendid on your curve. The control points which helps to take a travel from its initial position to end position. So 4 comma 2 is the initial position, 16 comma 4 is equal to end position, where here u equal to 0, you got 4 comma 2, where u equal to 1, you got 16 comma 4. Okay, where the midpoint is 8 comma 8 as said in the problem, but after we derive u equal to 0.5 at mid position, we got 9 comma 5.5. So the coordinate pixels are 4 comma 2, 9 comma 5.5 and 16 comma 4, which is derived from the control points of 4 comma 2, 8 comma 8 and 16 comma 4. Okay, so the initial position and terminating position we used to call as anchors. The middle control points we used to call as handles. Okay, and this is about the first example. Then we'll see one more example. Find the coordinate pixels of the curve using following 4 control points P1 2 comma 2 comma 0, P2 2 comma 3 comma 0, P3 3 comma 3 comma 0, and P4 3 comma 2 comma 0. Okay, and here we have 4 control points. So what is your degree of polynomial? 4 minus 1, 3 is your degree of polynomial. If it is 3, the polynomial equation is going to be cubic. Okay, so write the Bezier curve equation and Bezier function, and where control point, how we are going to calculate, and the control points are x0 comma y0 comma z0 is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 0, right? Similarly for x1 y1 and x2 y2 and x3 y3. Here we have 4 control points. So degree of polynomial you are going to decide 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then it is going to be a cubic. So if you have 3 control points, sorry, 3 is the degree of polynomial with respect to your 4 control points, then you have to take the u intervals starting and ending. The u intervals starting from 0, u equal to 0 and u equal to 0.25 and u equal to 0.75 and u equal to 1 for 4 control points, right? And if it is a 5 control points, you can take u equal to 0, u equal to 0.25, then u equal to 0.5, then u equal to 0.75, then u equal to 1. If it is 6, you can take 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 and end with 1. So here we have 4 control points. So u intervals, u equal to 0, 1 control point, that is the initial, the next 0.25, the next u equal to 0.75, the next u equal to 1. You are going to calculate and find the values. Fine. Then first what you are going to do, you are going to write the Bezier function, where here we have 4 control points. The degree of polynomial is equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So your k value starts from 0 and n value ends at 3. So k equal to 0 to n, k equal to 0 to n, n equal to 3. So initially is 0 comma 3, then 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 3, then 3 comma 3. Okay, and here initial 0 comma 3, n factorial divided by k factorial, n minus k factorial, multiply with u power k, multiply with 1 minus u power n minus k. So when you derive with respect to k equal to 0 and n equal to 3, you will get 1 minus u power 3. Similarly 1 comma 3, you derive 3u into 1 minus u power 2. Next, when you derive with 2 comma 3, you will get 3u power 2 into 1 minus u. When you derive with the final position 3 comma 3, you will get u power 3. So apply in your x of u, y of u and z of u the summation of equations, where initial position of the point x0 multiply with 1 minus u power 3, the next you will get x of u equation as well as y of u equation. Here result is going to be 0. Okay, so z value is going to be 0. First initial position u equal to 0. Okay, and in u equal to 0, apply x of 0, where here you will get 0, here you will get 0, here you will get 0, here you will get 1 minus 0, 1, 2 into 1, 2. So initial position x of 0, x value is going to be 2. Similarly, when you apply in y, you will get 2. So you will get here initial position with respect to x and y and z 2 comma 2 comma 0. Then move on to u equal to 1 by 4. You can directly write 1 by 4 or 0.25, like based on your convenient you can write, right? So u equal to 1 by 4, 0.25. When you apply over here as a u value, you will get 2.16 as x value, and y value is equal to 2.56. So your x1, y1, z1 are 2.16, 2.56, comma 0. X value equal to 2.16, y value equal to 2.56, and z value is going to be 0. And similarly, with respect to u equal to 0.75, you will get here x value as 2.84, y value as 2.56, right? And final value u equal to 1 at a terminating point, and you will get 3, 2, 0. So from the control points of 2, 2, 0 and 2, 3, 0, 3, 3, 0 and 3, 2, 0, you get the coordinate pixels. Initial position 2, 2, 0. The next position from this control point 2, 3, 0, you got 2.16, 2.56. Okay. Then next control point 3, 3, 0. From that you get the coordinate pixel of 2.84, 2.56. So the end point is 3, 2, 0. So this is about your Bezier curve equation. Suppose, as I said, if it is you have 5 control points, then in that case 5 minus 1, 4. In that case, additionally you have to calculate u equal to 0.5. That value is also you have to consider. Okay. So this is about Bezier curve equations.